Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explain a crypto term called staking, what it is, how it works and why people do it in the simplest way possible. So what is staking? Let me break it down. Staking is like locking up your crypto to help you run a network, and in return you earn rewards. So imagine staking like planting money tree. So you leave some coins in the ground and over time they grow more coins. So why do you earn rewards? When you stake, your crypto helps keep a blockchain, let's say like Ethereum. So it helps keep it secure and running smoothly. So the network thanks you by giving you more of that crypto as a reward. So I know you might be asking if staking is safe. Yes, the good news is you never give up ownership of your coins. You can usually unstake whenever you want. Just know that rewards aren't always guaranteed and the price can go up and down. Sometimes you might be staking and the coin you actually staked might be pumping. For most coins, when you stake them, you can actually unstake immediately and claim your tokens. But for some tokens, when you stake and you unstake, that is taking back your crypto, some of them used to give unlocking time frame. Let's assume let's assume you stake Solana and you want to unstake. When you unstake, it takes like 7 days for it to enter your wallet. That's the disadvantage most people have. You might stake a token now and it's pumping, and you want to take advantage of the recent up in price and trying to unstake. By the time you unstake, you won't be able to get your token at that moment. You will have to wait for the 7 days to elapse before you can be able to take your tokens, to claim your tokens, and by then price might have gone down. So that's just the disadvantage in staking. In staking in some platforms always allow on staking immediately and getting your funds out. So when you are staking, try to consider all these. Don't just staking because other people are staking. So how do you stake? Staking is super easy with wallets like Phantom. So all you need to do is just open the Phantom app. If you want to stake your Solana on the Phantom app, just open the Phantom app, pick the coin you want to stake like Solana. When you touch it, then once it opens like this, then you choose a validator. Once you choose a validator, then you hit stake. Once you hit stake, and that is it. You are earning while you sleep. So staking is earning rewards by supporting a blockchain. No complex stuff, just lock it, leave it, and let it grow. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. So please like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.